Bippy bom, bippy bom, bippy bom. Let's learn and have fun. Bippy bom, bippy bom.
Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to learn how to write the uppercase English alphabet from A to Z. Let's begin. A. This is uppercase A. Start at the top, go down, then down again, and add a line in the middle. B. This is uppercase B. Draw a straight line down, then two big curves. C. This is uppercase C. Make a large open curve. D. This is uppercase D. One straight line, one big curve. E. This is uppercase E. One long line down and three shorter lines across. F. This is uppercase F. One long line down, two lines across. G. This is uppercase G. Make a big curve, then add a short line inside. H. This is uppercase H. Two straight lines down, connected by a line in the middle. I. This is uppercase I. One straight line down with a line on top and bottom. J. This is uppercase J. A line across the top, then curve down. K. This is uppercase K. One straight line, then two diagonal lines. L. This is uppercase L. One line down, one line across. M. This is uppercase M. Two tall lines with two diagonal lines in the middle. N. This is uppercase N. One line down, one diagonal, one line up. O. This is uppercase O. A big round circle. P. This is uppercase P. One line down, one curve on top. Q. This is uppercase Q. A big circle with a small tail. R. This is uppercase R. One line down, a curve on top, and a diagonal leg. S. This is uppercase S. A smooth curve like a snake. T. This is uppercase T. One long line down, one line across the top. U. This is uppercase U. A big curve at the bottom with two straight sides. V. This is uppercase V. Two diagonal lines meeting at the bottom. W. This is uppercase W. Four diagonal lines up and down. X. This is uppercase X. Two lines crossing in the middle. Y. This is uppercase Y. Two diagonal lines on top, one straight line down. Z. This is uppercase Z. One line across, one diagonal, one line across. Great job! You've just learned how to write all uppercase letters from A to Z. Keep practicing every day. See you in the next video.